Hey guys, it's Brene, your mortgage expert, coming to talk to you about life, today's current events, and of course, real estate. So, Trump's still talking about those tariffs, right? Went from 100% tariffs to 155% tariffs. What's going on? Here's what that means for you, your money, mortgages, and your life plan. All right. All right. So, what does that mean for you, your money, your mortgages, and of course, your life plan? Market shock and mortgage wisdom. That's what we're talking about today as we navigate through life planning amid Trump's tariff moves. Let's talk about it. All right. Now, y'all buckle up because we just witnessed some heavy headlines. Trump posted that he's imposing more tariffs on the Chinese imports. And again, that's starting November 1st. What you doing November 1st? Watch your pockets. Because he's saying it's already in place. I'm a little shook. Now, man, we've already seen the markets drop, right? We felt a piece of that crash, and man, it hurt. I'm talking about 2.7% hurt. That's a worst single day since this week because it's dropping even more. So, what's going on? If your stomach is doing flips, you're not alone. But here's what I want us to do: take this shock and translate it into wisdom. Use it to build your plan. Because as we can see, the markets are just unpredictable. Today, we're going to break down what happened in the markets, how that move has a ripple effect when it comes to interest rates, mortgages, and your household finances. What should you do? Here's a step-by-step to protect your peace and your future. And yes, again, as always, wait till the end because I have some special goodies for you guys. I'm talking about resources, offers, things you can use to anchor your money life. Let's go. What just happened? Okay, breaking it down. So Trump's posting, he's talking about these are new tariffs above and over and beyond, and China is already getting ready to fire back. He also announced export controls on critical software, furthering the heightened tension. So you shouldn't be afraid to look either. Now, what did this affect? Big tech names, especially the ones deeply tied to Chinese supplies. I'm talking semiconductors, hardware, software, they all took an extra hit simultaneously. The bond market saw movement, and so did the 10-year treasury bonds, which can temporarily impact long-term buying rates. So in short, markets got spooked, investors pulled out, volatility spiked, and that kind of stress, it has consequences far beyond the street. It flows into rates, lending behavior, and even your mortgage options. So here's a little insight on what you can do. So with the Dow dropping almost 878 points, those big tech names, they're in trouble. Or are they? Why this matters to your mortgages and your money. Now, why should you care about some tariff fight, right? Or the Wall Street freak out? Because this is where the macro meets the micro, where headline risks hits the household reality. Let me walk you through the chain reaction. Bond yields, interest rates. When investors run for safe haven, government bonds are snatched back. Those yields are the foundation of many interest rates, including mortgages. So when yields drop, mortgage rates might dip just a bit. But when yields spike or there's a risk of inflation, mortgage rates can go up. And that's how volatility works in a global policy where government policies influence your 30-year note. So DM me clean slate from my tracker. Drop one thing you're thankful for in the comments because gratitude multiplies blessings. And I'm ready for the overflow. Thanks, guys. I'm Renee, your local mortgage expert. If you have any questions, DM me now or pick up my free guide at realurban.com. Click the link in the bio.